How to change default download location on iPhone Safari. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll all the way down to Find and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Scroll down to Find and tap on Safari to access its settings. This section lets you manage search preferences, privacy settings, and general browser behavior. Inside the Safari menu, scroll down to the General section and tap on Downloads. You are now on the Download Settings page. Here, you can choose where Safari saves your downloaded files. Change the setting from the default iCloud drive to On My iPhone or other. This ensures that all future downloads are saved directly to your device's local storage. You can also tap on Other below to choose a specific folder for your downloads. Following these steps, you can easily change the default download location on an iPhone.